Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or create a new section onto a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is just select whatever section you want to create a new section after. So select the question you want to create a new section after. And then the right menu here, there's a little rectangle. Go to the last option that says Add Section. Looks like a little equal sign. And now you have a new section here, and you can adjust the activities or the actions that will be performed versus after section like 1, for example. If you click the drop down, you can adjust which section it would go to. Or you can also have it just automatically submit the form if you made a section choice or gone a certain direction already on the form. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.